Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And in this question, we find the inverse of f of x, and f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 over 4x minus 1. So let's start. First of all, in step 1, we replace f of x by y. Then the above equation will become a y it's equal to 3x plus 2 over 4x minus y. Now in the next step we cross multiply, so this will become a y multiply 4x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 2. Multiply this y by 4x, we get a 4 times xy. Multiply 4 by minus 1, we get a minus y, it's equal to, this is a 3x plus 2. Now in the next step, if we subtract a 3x on both sides, then we get a 4 times of product of xy minus y minus 3x is equal to 2. Now in the next step, if we add a y on both sides, then we get a 4 times of product of xy minus 3x is equal to 2 plus y. Look at these two terms, x involved in these two terms, so we factor out. The remaining first term will become a 4 times y minus, and the second term will become a 3. It's equal to 2 plus y. In the next step, if we divide 4y minus 3 on both sides, so this is a 4y minus 3 and divide here by 4y minus 3. So this whole value will cancel, we just get a x, it's equal to 2 plus y over 4y minus 3. Look at this is a f of x, it's equal to y, and this implies x is equal to f inverse of y. So here is a x and x is equal to f inverse of y, so we replace x by f inverse of y. It's equal to, this is a 2 plus y over 4y minus 3. The last step, we replace y by x. So the above equation will become a f inverse of, this will become a x equal to 2 plus y is x. So this will become a 4 times x minus 3. So this is the final answer of our question.